people on YouTube, I've noticed this, they do videos and they spend 3 hours showing you how the best way is to clean your car. I actually use a Lance snow foam to just help get all of the cleaning solution on there, leave it in for a while, and then that's when I'll actually agitate it with a soft cloth, which goes in the wash every single time. So what I use the actual snow foam to clean the car itself, I use Auto Finesse. So they have lots of different products, easy to get them. I've actually found the cost effectiveness of them is pretty good, but also the results as well. Kind of speaks for itself, apart from the bird shit. What do? Do you use a piece of leather to actually dry it, or do you use a cloth? This is what I do. I don't even dry it, because what I use is I use a Meguiar's ceramic coating spray, and literally all you do, so it's in a bottle, unfortunately I don't have it with me, but I will put a link or put a picture somewhere down here, and literally you just spray it, a few sprays on the panel, and then I use a soft cloth and I just wipe it over the car. Before you carbon ceramic it, you have to clay bar it. So clay bar, you get the piece of clay, all you have to literally do is rub it all over the car with some soapy solution, and on the clay bar you see all the dirt that comes off. Now I've actually done it to this and it took me about an hour, and then after that I did do a full clean. You got to use some kind of deionizing spray, which is that purple spray, or you spray it on and then you start noticing the car almost drip purple, so that gets all the iron out of the car, any other impurities. And literally once you've done that, I personally think, I think you only need to do that once every 2 years. The ceramic spray, they said, lasts for 3 months, but what I'll suggest is the first time you do it again a month later, just to top it up. And then after that, I think you can do it about once every 2 months or something, and it really does help. Even when the car gets dirty and you do a quick wash on it, even if you power jet it down, it actually cleans it off, so the dirt does not stick, and it is really worth it. I think the bottle costs around 16 or 18 pounds for about, I don't know, 600 ml or something like that, but it's worth it. It will last you a year easily, probably a year and a half. Another way to actually protect your car is by, is that a fly? Why do flies, why do they just love sitting on cars, and why do birds love shitting on cars?
Ah! That's right, get it nice and clean.
So another way to actually protect your car is by using PPF. So PPF is paint protection film. Yes, that's what it is. Here you can see that there is a line. So PPF is just a thin piece of film, transparent, that gets stuck onto your car. Kind of similar to the way that when you have your windows tinted, you have to be cleaned, it has to be sprayed with soapy water, and then it almost applies and it sticks. You have to squeegee out all of the air bubbles, but also you have to apply a bit of heat to actually get all of these bends and all of these curvatures, especially when you come across these sections, because that's the actual one piece. I've had the front from here all PPF'd. Now it was, and I'm gonna put my hands up to this one, it was not the best job, I think. When I was looking around, I was looking at quotes of probably around 1800 just to do the front, because they said the car's quite big and the bonnet is kind of biggish, I guess. But I think that's another example of the Bentley tax. People see you got a Bentley, prices get inflated. So I had mine done by somebody I kind of knew, and I'm not 100% happy with it, and I'll show you why. You can see an ingress of dirt, but here there's not. Here it's okay, it's just here, and same here as well on the bottom. Also the bumper, it could have been done better. The lower bumper, he didn't really want to do it, but you can see here, and that's a perfect example. I haven't noticed that, but you can see the PPF here, and it's already started to peel. And that is after about, I think, just over a year I've had it. And PPF normally, if it's like 3M, a brand such as that, it should last for 10 years if it's applied correctly. But thankfully I didn't pay anywhere near £1,800, so it weren't so bad. So literally, if you're after protecting your car, definitely use ceramic coating spray. You can use the actual ceramic coating liquid, but I would just use the spray as a novice because it's easy to maintain. But always clay bar your car before, and if you've got a bit of money and you'll not invest, PPF it. Good thing is some cars come already PPF'd, and it's important to get the guarantee paperwork for that. In my case, I kind of don't really have a guarantee. I don't have any paperwork, but it is what it is. If I have to have it removed, I can have it removed. At least it protects the front, because the front is normally where you pick up chips, even up here. So at least it's protected. And okay, if it was going to be removed, maybe it'll cost a couple of £100, so it's okay. So that's how I protect and keep this car relatively clean. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to it as well. Really helps as I'm trying to grow the channel. If there's any other content you want to see about this car, drop it in the comments and I'll happily see if I can do that. Thanks for watching.